You can't have your child or your children and leave them out the door. So if any of the kids, say for instance, everybody today the day in the mall, you think the government to the business, there would be nobody to be blamed more than him turn up at some other funeral. Show him support, because this is major. This is major. Same turn up at your funeral.
More than 40 people are nursing injuries following a frightening crash involving a coaster bus at the entrance to the Williamsfield Toll Road in Clarendon on Wednesday morning. According to reports from the police, the incident happened around 7:57 a.m. near the stoplight at the Maypen entrance to the highway, sending shockwaves across social media after dramatic photos and videos of the crash began circulating online. Authorities say the coaster bus slammed into a concrete median, leaving the front section of the vehicle badly mangled. At least 41 passengers were reportedly injured in the crash, though up to now, investigators have not confirmed whether another vehicle was involved. Emergency personnel rushed to the scene shortly after the collision, as concerned motorists and bystanders gathered along the roadway, trying to assist injured passengers. The crash caused major traffic delays in the area during the busy morning commute, with sections near the toll entrance becoming heavily congested as police and emergency responders worked to clear the scene. Videos posted online showed the yellow coaster bus crashed against the concrete structure, with shattered glass and debris scattered across the roadway.
You have to stand up in the gap. You have to stand up in the gap for you pick them for sure. But the moment them know them not stand up in the gap, them a curse them pick me. Me not ask you cursing your child. Look at a bus today that crash. Not today, what day, sorry. Look at the bus where crash. Look at the bus we're supposed to carry about 20 odd. I carry about at least 40 odd. Look at the bus where crash. Look how the whole Ministry of Education down at hospital. When I sit down on my program and I say, parents, pray for the picnic them. Now what do you say so? Pray for the picnic them. Every picnic in the jerk up like soda. Them not have no fizz. But parents don't take everything for granted because the internet is more hotter. All you want to say picnic go through the norm of life and that's it. There is no responsibility for you. Because we not go to the house with no Jesus. The Bible says, for me and my house, we will serve God. What about yours? You cannot tell me that, well, Angel did it because Angel saved most of the picnic then. You understand it? But it could have been worse. The front right half. Every seat in the bus are pushed forward. And all the picnic them get is a bus forward and a pain up head. Pain up back, pain up neck, pain up shoulder, pain up fingernail. That's all. Now is not the time for cuss the driver. Now is the time to give God thanks. It's now time to play the blame game. It done happen already. It done happen. I give thanks time. But we spend more time and look pity. Yeah, the driver them will always drive bad. Police like them because of them give police them lunch money. That is why them keep driving like that on the road. You never know. So no matter how you see police are pull them over. A extortion. So you never know. And your child or your children, them love the bus where can dilly-dally and raggle-daggle. Them like them bus there. Them like the bus them with the music and the driver them young and hip and up and at and hype. They love it. And you know the car racing in your house. Don't. Thank you, my. Put your hand over your picnic. Rub your hand over your picnic. Run your hand over your picnic. And tell the Lord what you want him to do to your picnic. A your picnic, a your belly pain and a mine. A your belly pain. But only they have to take them when they're mature. You can't have your child or your children and leave them out the door. So if any of the kids, say for instance, everybody today the day in the mall. You think the government with a business, there would be nobody to be blamed more than him turn up at some other funeral. Show him support because this is major. This is major. So him turn up at your funeral. Eh? And that's all you're gonna get. You won't even know. Me tell you this, you know. The demon them let go, you know. And when me say let go like crazy, demon a walk out, you know. Demon a walk out in a khaki suit and enough of you believe me, you know. Enough of you don't believe me, you know. It's when someone of their work and see some people just kick off for no reason at all. You never understand, say, enough of you never get afraid, you know. A lot of you people are gonna get afraid because you not watchful, you not listen, you not vigilant, and you not cover on yourself. You not don't cover on yourself. A lot of you. Some people are talk to Obia man now because they have function and keep for summer. Come on somebody. Come on somebody. You take up spirit and you not even bargain for it. Cause every jump and knock you have to go. Them not in the picnic on church on Sunday, them. It's true. As summer make him go on. Make him go enjoy himself for the summer. And everywhere him go pay a demon a bodyguard, demon a bouncer. When you talk like this, them say, where you kill our fun? You're not killing the fun, man. Go and have fun. If that's what you want, take it. Me? Go and have fun. Go and go have fun. Yeah. Have fun till you're 45. Alright, you know, you're 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Go and have fun till... That's when you're going to search for the first fun and can't find it. And you're going to be so tormented to the point where you want that fun and nothing can fulfill what you have learned before. Not the day. Not the way you learned before at that fun that you want. Yeah, and that's why you find big old man out a door, dressed like young boy and stand up in a night view with them cap sideways on them head. Yeah, that's why you have big old man today there out a door. You never know. Yeah, with them cap turned sideways on them head. Them a try find back them young life. And these people know me by. People know you, but where you know yourself from? It's true. Why I think most relationships fail today? Because everybody outside a worship demon. You have your good woman bathe and lay down in her bed with a fat pum pum and a tear up cotton drawers. And you out a door, you gonna dance, you put on clothes. You put on clothes. I say you gotta dance. All when you're in a fall, you gotta party. Come on, somebody. This ain't no relationship. You're under a different spell, my youth. You're under a different spell. For me and my house, we will serve God. Yeah. No, mighty, is true. You forget rid of them something, you can't make love blind you alone in the ship. You can't even steer it. You never study captain yet from your school. So all love blind in a ship. You don't even know which part you're in the Mediterranean. You have your good man. And you're going to tell me now this is a union. And you not seek for uphold the union. What you ever respect in your life? Because I'm pretty sure you don't have to respect nothing, you know, but you must hold something close to you and what is meaningful to you, you have to respect. Even if you never know how to respect things yet, once it's meaningful to you, you have to respect it like your Nintendo, like your PlayStation, like your clocks when nobody can step on, like your one suit where you have to wash that till the ink go. We're just blind. We're just blind. You're there at work and you could have ears so your picnic dead. You're there at work and you could have ears so your picnic broke up like crackers. All because you refuse to bring God inside your temple. Because every time if you really call upon God, the devil remind you of your life where you live. Or where you did live. The devil is a liar. The devil is a liar. A lie. Me, I gonna go before God with my sinfulness. I'm gonna ask him for forgiveness. I'm gonna pray to him and ask him for what I want. No devil in hell now go tell me no go. Me I go before him. Me have something for ask him and me I go ask him. Yeah. All when me feel like him not listen and him not hear, at least me leave it. One angel must pass by and take it, carry it, go give him. Me have that amount of faith. If me not have the faith to say, me I pray and reach him, me have the faith to say, me I pray and it just let out in the ear. One angel must fly past and carry it, go give him. An angel must do that. A prayer, you know. Oh, a prayer. It not disappear. It not disappear. No, it's true. Daniel prayed for 21 days and God hear him from the first day. Me alright. Me alright. Once God hear me, me good. Once him hear me, me good. And if him not work now, me know say my delay. I saw him stay. My timing is not film timing, and that me like with him. Happy kind of people me they along with you know. Good God Almighty, man. Little more, man. Later. Me love you know. Stay blessed, keep sweet, live, laugh, love. A little more. I love you guys.